Mel John Okonye, Onyem, Abo, Eka South Local Government, Delta State. You know, we have been looking for investors. Everybody have been clamoring for development. And we saw that he is viable and we sought for him. Prince Paradise, he came and he appealed to us to release some portions of our land to sell to him for development. Atemu. The land is family land, which we inherited from our forefathers, Okonye family land. And he planted pineapple there before. Even 5 commissioners visited the farm when the pineapple was on. We started planting pineapple there before the war, as far back as 1964. Till now, we still have some pineapple there.
It's still ongoing.
Yes. But a part of it is what we sold to him. And some part still remain with pineapple. 3 of us. And it's Augustine Okonye and Okonye Martin and the senior.
Your name is?
We met and we brought out a portion and sold to him for development. We were farming there. No problem at all. They had land dispute long time and it wasn't a part, this part of the land we are talking about does not affect the land at all.
Was there any time when people were farming in that land?
Never. I never met them. Since I was born, I'm 74 years now. I've never seen any person there. Maybe the hoodlums, they want money from him. Otherwise, they have no local standing there at all. The signboard, only they put, it can show anybody on the new road. Welcome to and bye-bye to Munidi. Paradise did not get there at all. From the Paradise to that place is more than 4 poles, which means they are looking for trouble. They want to disturb development. The case is already in court. They would have waited for anything coming out of the court. They don't even when the case is in the court, then you are still disturbing the person. They sued him and he counter-sued. And they wanted to put injunction, but the court said no. They have no right to put any injunction because it's development. You know the country wants development. So he started developing. So they are supposed to wait for the verdict of the court before they start disturbing him. Because the case cannot be in court and somebody is disturbing. It's a breach of court procedure. We have somebody like Justin Waka. After us, you get to him. After he gets to some people again. So I don't know anything about that area at all. We have no boundary at all with anyone. I don't know how they came in. We cannot sit down on our benches where we are and decide what that. I want sightseeing people. Let them come and see for themselves. Because it's very, very, very appalling. And they are disturbing him for no reason. Let people come. I want people to come through my compound. They see what is happening. How can they own a part of them? It's suppression. This is the cast out. That's the car noticed. And even when they are arguing the other side, they say the old road is the boundary. And look at the old road there. And look at the place that are coming. They should desist from disturbing Prince Paradise because he's doing a genuine business and he got the land genuinely. My father was born, bred, and he died 21 years ago. And I'm 74 years now. I have not been disturbed once until now. I'm a witness. Why did they sue me? Because I told them I'm the owner of the land. They left me and sued the buyer.
Okay.
You know, this side doing this has no regard for the traditional ruler. So many times we warned them because the traditional ruler is very straightforward. You know, a part of not the whole Umunidi, a part of Umunidi is doing this. And that's the document.
Okay. You can open it. Let's see.
To show.
Okay. Deed of conveyance.
Deed of conveyance.
Okay. It's your brother now. Can you? Okay, you were all part of.
He's my senior brother.
Okay, when everything was done, then even the family is now quarreling.
No, for what?
Okay.
Even if it's a coincidence, so people are thinking that he is my brother because he is from Akumasi, but he answers Okonye.
You are now older, more mature, and here is your place. He's an investor, even he's from Ika, but you are more rooted here. So, what's your best advice now?
People should come and buy from him, and anybody in doubt should come personally to visit. If this case is going anywhere, the people that are reporting to should not judge from their desk. They should come physically to see for themselves. What I'm trying to say is that anybody we are reporting to, even if it's a head of state or anybody, should send reasonable people to verify physically, not writing on their seat. That's what I'm trying to say.
So is there any way on his behalf that you can go before him to vindicate him, putting up this problem and to let them know I own the land? I sold it to him.
Yeah, we have always done this. Even we have confronted the militants in the bush when they come for destruction. You know, these are hoodlums. Not to really that, because if you interview the good people of Umunidi, they will say they didn't send them.
Apart from hoodlums coming to the bush to do whatever, is there any legal approach that the people have been using to claim this very land?
No.
No lawyer has brought paper for you as regards the land you sold.
No. The community cannot, the community can only wage war against if the hoodlums are coming. But the community cannot arise and say, stop. You know, it's not a community property. That way, it should go ahead and behind him. Umode lemu we bofia even area.
We say to Nine
Mba.
So all we go okay,
yeah, we actually development. Alwali any there reach. Omezu and development. Government equals young investor. Ya we no doji and when then that we. Ela libodi. Ekunwe ne ndire ngone watole egun. We ngone anyi ekwere na nire ana lebo kere alumwo konye a cash out kind of real onye jono nwo ya ngone origini but ya nka kwiku ino di mo office apeni onwe kono ndo ole jono ye onu we bia no de jenya we hu ele oruju onwa
so that my fine
I'm from Dr. Nwaka.
Okay, where you live? Okay. Yeah, man, company of Paradise.
I'm Marahoma.
Who your relation with them?
Nindi Bahanubu. That site here, Paradise. Omoni. Imemolo. Nedin Terama. Nwaka. So, Ogoji Muhu. Mamano Homa. Umono no set to the medic. Apmo, Kamal Webao. Nimaba no Kebao. Okonyawe and others. Okay, then India. No, so okay. Ni any day ni bule beni. Ni ala rumbo so. Ni la ne one. Ni alwe funi ni okebeme housing estate. At least when one man po abo wo onu wa do ko ni hen wele before I say this. No la roshima. Onya nweke oya after working alia koma osale le ka kwa gwa no ko gwa in my present so we ko gwa le gbegbe anwuru mo nya ali ozo se na wa mun imbiarere ya ho no me argument abia so there was no argument over the whole land. The cassava there belongs to Emuhu, myself and other people know about who's okay. We went to somebody to say Lebeke. After Hoduzi behind those other my forefront now. Anywhere any surprise because you didn't any surprise on and that way you or no people or anything. Just because you know any development you're so in your plan according to source that you know actually needed in must here we go. And this is the problem now. So there is someone that only they saw that this man opened this place. So here can be a youth, not combine it. Because I know about okay. When I cross the boundary, the somebody is there. What man with them when you want to say, let somebody one thing have other somebody on the cross say somebody want new they were to me, where they come to me. More than 10 years. So you want to be woman and be bound. How many sabu need the some we get going now? Go to pillar or as a government, Namu to be pillar.
Even you want to war or something.
Oh, do not want to carry each other about my lady.
And then would you will one equal? I want to hear why you want to. So, King or I go and them with it. John, where
Prince Paradise no develop e ka ko de develop ala mo so we hapo a na le ne ala nke ndu mo de cha ano mo no goju menke we mu azu abo azu wire o many era Asaba Jacobini by the left here is this picture because from there to the end of the side follow bush road. So even when you want to road, you don't come here. No, I catch on no base of here. And they only have a child when you know. Some of them they will spend you. The people remain in here. No one was happy. Let me hear ya one. No one was the ban well. And the development of them. Carry Benji, they offer since 1950. And the ban la Corona Coca-Cola home. All of whom at all. I'm not going to get the Coca-Cola home. Ni hu mbuwe tunlo due to the development there ehune ko di melo lo wa re nina ndi tunlo nwere hu na agbo la ale lebe amana the benefit ye wa ji caterpillar ipa meye ya sa bring this up di ji ba e fi me idem ke caterpillar no di ti ulo wa onye mo de si ni ya nwe and at least ulo hu kapu magadi won no me ya o ta ni ke ku anu lo yo okay tell na wesu so any bo self ya one before Paradise house have already surrounded that place upstairs downstairs and everything no but ya to lo ya nyera upstairs ya to ya ma ebi weri mi me ohun ajutu yan na so many of my luna, ya little stairs and down now. Where the lily, or many gap or reality Paradise. However, per can I want to look quick with Bury. Oh, document. The about even those Ozzy, when there's some pure, no, so when I report me on your load early about the document.
Yanu to me,
Aleni, you acquire yourself or your father?
From my father.
Okay. And then lend the
No.
Okay.
Even the middle about no some who can let you oh, as a prolong. And the mother de Quasacabin. So when someone went to child because only the officer, they will digger or sign a call, or wedding care, Paradise wedding care. Oh, no, say me only. Oh, no one knowing when you say, memory bill. Big book, they said, Maya. Everything can you wear. What is the meaning anyway?
That's the vital point. Oh,
was it anywhere? And then you want to learn about and you saw. India Muhammad saw Cassie, a benefit to him. What was it for years? Oh, no, I group where I say, I knew with it. Well, couldn't I was a girl? Oh, no one knowing when you say, memory bill. Big book, they said, Maya. Everything can you wear. What is the meaning anyway?
That's the vital point.
Oh, was it anywhere? And then you want to learn about and you saw. India Muhammad saw Cassie, a benefit to him. What was it for years? Oh, no, I group where I say, I knew with it. Well, couldn't I was a girl? Even one of whom they boy. Or I do a challenge them. I'm not sure. Oh, man, no, maybe. Can I say, only many never one for many years? Only wasn't a Kajama and Rumbo. Even the young a passerby. No group of people can go, Nigera, Ejana, Nega, only one day, never one day. Now I don't know. Only where Paradise. No, nobody.
Hey everybody, keep watching PMTV.
I'm giving a shout out to PMTV, People's Mind.
Yo guys, it's Emeka from Amsterdam, Holland. Go and check PMTV.
Hey guys, keep watching PMTV Nigeria.
Nigerians, wherever you are, whether you're in Enugu, Lagos, Abuja, keep on watching People's Mind Television, PMTV.